Welcome to Prime Property USA, your trusted guide to buying, selling, and investing in real estate across the United States. Buying your first home can feel overwhelming, but don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through everything you need to know in 2026, from checking your credit score to finally getting your keys. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to make smart, confident decisions in the US property market. At Prime Property USA, we always start with the most important step, your credit score. In the USA, your credit score determines the interest rates and mortgage options you'll qualify for. A score above 620 gets you conventional loans, while 740 or higher unlocks the best rates. Check your credit report for errors and pay off any outstanding debts. A small improvement in your score can save you thousands in interest. At Prime Property USA, we focus on the down payment. Most people think you need 20%, but FHA loans allow as low as 3.5%, and some first-time buyer programs even offer 0% down. Start saving early and budget carefully. Every extra dollar reduces your mortgage and monthly payments. Before house hunting, get pre-approved. This shows sellers you're serious and tells you exactly how much house you can afford. Compare multiple lenders to get the best rates. Pre-approval doesn't lock you in, but it gives you a competitive edge in a hot market. Finding the right property is more than just picking a house. At Prime Property USA, we emphasize location. Schools, safety, and future development plans matter most. Use online platforms like Zillow, Realtor.com, or local listings. Always visit in person before making a decision. Once you've found your dream home, it's time to make an offer. Your real estate agent will guide you through negotiation. Don't overpay, but stay competitive. Include contingencies for inspection and appraisal. This protects you from unexpected costs. Never skip the home inspection. At Prime Property USA, we recommend hiring a certified inspector to check the foundation, roof, plumbing, and electrical systems. Even a small hidden issue can cost thousands. Use this step to negotiate repairs or credits before closing. Finally, the closing process. Sign the documents, pay closing costs, and get your keys. Review every document carefully and ask questions if something isn't clear. At Prime Property USA, we make sure our viewers understand this step completely. It's your final chance to make sure everything is correct. Buying your first home is one of the most important financial decisions of your life. Follow these steps, plan carefully, and you'll be on your way to building long-term wealth through real estate. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to Prime Property USA and click the bell icon for weekly real estate tips, market updates, and investing strategies. See you in the next video.